Hey everybody, it's that time of year again. Generators in the Northeast. Winter's coming, and my problem was it's constantly in and out, middle of storms, snowing. I had generators getting wrecked, constantly getting rusted and stuff from the elements. So I looked around the internet and I came up with this idea. I went and got a Suncast stowaway storage bin. And after looking around the internet, this is what I ended up building. I started with the container, went to Home Depot, got the masonry board, glued it and screwed it all the way around. I went ahead and got a Generac XT8000E generator. It's more than enough for what I needed. And then everything started piecing it together. So I went ahead for the exhaust inside this 3-inch double wall. And then inside that, there's a 1-inch flex pipe that connects directly to the exhaust with a U-clamp to this wall thimble. And it'll come outside and it just vents out down to the ground. No problems with that. Went with a 16-inch exhaust fan. This thing's rated for 1200 CFM. And then that's fed by a 28 by 20 aluminum vent. That vent will move over 2000 CFM, so there's more than enough air for the fan. As far as starting this, I got just a regular car battery. I put some auxiliary posts on the inside, put some remote battery posts. Went with a 4-gauge wire, which wires right into the generator. Electric start, and then that all goes back to a fully waterproof battery tender. One small addition I did do was I just bought a basic light kit on Amazon. LED lights if you got to fill this thing up at night. Super convenient. Everything that I have in here I could put down below in the description for you. But it was pretty simple once I figured it all out. And I can run this thing, since it's vented, I run this thing fully closed up when it's raining or if there's any kind of weather. I recommend half blocking the inside, and then on the top I also did another half block. I had a problem where I'm at, very windy, and I've had this top blow open even with this factory clip thing they put in. I went with this instead, and it also keeps it secure, but it is only plastic. They want it, they'll get it. But it's proven to work. I did this a couple years ago and I haven't had a problem with it since. But again, do your own research at the end of the day when it comes to something like this. But like I said, I went around the internet and I picked the best of everything that I could find, and this is what I came up with. So thanks for looking. Appreciate it.